In this Teamwork 5 employee tutorial, I'm going to show you how to accept your shifts through your calendar. To do that, go to the top menu bar and click on Calendar. Now you should arrive at your calendar and you'll see shifts that have not been approved by you are highlighted in red. To approve a shift, click on that shift and you'll see this menu come up. You can choose to OK your shift by hitting the orange button, to swap it, or to card it. In this case, I'm going to OK it, and it's going to ask if I do approve this shift. I can hit close if I clicked on it accidentally and that's not what I want to do, or I can hit submit if I do want to approve the shift. I'm going to hit submit. And now you can see the red box has gone away because I have accepted that shift. If I look at my new schedule and I see that all of the shifts look okay and I just want to approve them all at once, I can go up to the little triangle next to calendar. And from that drop-down menu, I'm going to select Approve All. Again, it's going to ask if I actually want to do that. If I hit that button on mistake, I can always hit close, but I'm going to hit submit. Now all of the red boxes have gone away and all of my shifts have been approved. If I go back to that triangle next to calendar, you'll see the drop-down menu has changed. I no longer have the option to approve all. That's because there's nothing available for me to approve. That option will come back the next time a schedule is rolled out that needs my approval as an employee. To find out how to swap a shift from your calendar, check out the next video.